Yes, so moving to the most awaited part of the today's club service, that is Impulse 2022's structure declaration. So you might have already seen the message in our WhatsApp group that Impulse is going to be held on 29th and 30th January, as well as on the other rounds will be on 19th February. So starting with the structure declaration. So first, I will. So for the first years, there might be the question that what is Impulse? Like this is the very first event they will be attending, they will be participating. So for them, so Impulse is the mega event of SOFTA to test one's spontaneity, team working ability, and presentation skills. So this event was introduced by the club SOFTA to uh, test to get the mock placement drill for it. So like for most of the time, uh, before appearing for the placements, such events are conducted by the various clubs. So one of the most popular event in our college as well as in our university is Impulse, which gives the placement drill for the students which are going to appear for the placements, as well as for the first years and second years. They get to know about the process, they get familiar with the process of the placement. So again this year Impulse 2022 is conducted. So there are 5 phases: aptitude test, group discussion, surprise round, interview round, and the team event. So again, the perks of the participations. So of course, every participant will get the participation certificates, and as you have seen already, the aptitude test questions from the previous aptitude sessions, as explained by the PhDs. So Impulse has one of the most challenging aptitude tests. Uh, you might have been able to answer some of the questions, but there is a time factor while solving the aptitude test. So you have to solve all the aptitude questions in the time limit. So it is a most challenging aptitude test in our college. Next is you will get chance to assess yourself. You will get to know about your weak points, strong points, like what are the things you want to work on, and you will get the knowledge of like how you can well prepare for the placements. These factors are really important. It will also boost your confidence for placement preparations, as it is a complete mock drill for the placement. It will be a memorable event with challenges and learnings at every round. So there are, we will come to the rounds, the structure of rounds in a moment. So again, there are 5 rounds, and there will be challenges you will face. You need to work as a team in some events. You need to think and solve some real life problems at stage of every round, and you will learn a lot throughout this event, and it will be definitely an memorable event for everyone, for every participant. And the last round, which will be of interview round. So if you get shortlisted till the last round, you will get chance to be interviewed by the technocrats who are working in the companies, like who are already placed in the companies, and they will be interviewing you in the last round. And of course, there will be exciting prizes and rewards for the participants, for the winners. Next, moving to the structure of the rounds. So there are 5 rounds in total. The first round is Ingenium. Next is Syndicates. Third is Skillful. Fourth is Colloquium. Fifth is Investila. So I will be giving you idea about how these rounds are going to be conducted, and how what you can expect from these rounds. So starting with the first round, which is Ingenium, which is basically the aptitude test. So the questions you have seen in the PhD sessions, there will be similar kind of questions in this aptitude test, and there will be a time limit, and you have to solve these kinds of questions with the specific time limit. So the screening test will be consisting of the following sections, following type of questions, that is quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, logical reasoning, verbal ability, reading comprehensions, data sufficiency, general knowledge, and puzzles. So these are some of the these are sections based on which there will be questions in the aptitude test, and of course the shortlisting will be done on the basis of the relative scoring. So even if it will be the tough question, so there are again chances that you will get shortlisted because there will be a relative uh, shortlisting will be based on the relative scoring. And other than that, as we have divided into the participants in two sections, novice and expert. So you will be competing with your one 1 year seniors always. So like first year and second years will be for the novice, and for the expert there will be third years and final years again. So round two is Syndicates, which is a group discussion round. So this round is not just a typical discussion round that we have just did just some minutes before. There will be some twist in this group discussion round. You will be divided into groups, and you will be given some real life problem statement to think upon it, and you have to provide some real life solution for it. So it will be an really interesting discussion with all the other participants, and this will definitely give you the learning experience, and uh, this will be always beneficial to boost your confidence with this second round of the impulse, which is a discussion round. So moving to the third round, which is skill fair. It is a surprise round, and again the everything related to this round will be declared at the event day. So you have to think spontaneously at that day or at that time, and you need to present yourself just after the uh, just after the declaration. So your spontaneity skills will be tested in this round, as it is a surprise round. So to discuss further rounds, I would like to invite Miss Savani Kanhere, Chief Event Designer.
Okay, thank you, Aditya. So the next round, that is the fourth round, it's colloquium, which is a personal and technical interview round. So in this round, the personal interviews, that is we called as HR interviews of all the candidates from both the categories, novice and experts, will be carried out. And on the other hand, for the expert category participants, uh, the interview will be on technical knowledge as well. So, here is to note that these interviews will be specially conducted by professionals, as said earlier, who are working in the industry right now. So, in this round, the candidates' competency, behavior, leadership qualities, and various other parameters are examined. And all candidates are supposed to come along with their resumes as well. So, as you know, interviews are the irrepressible part of our career. So, this is the good chance to prepare yourself at early stage. So, that's about the fourth round. Moving to the next round. Next round will be a team event called Investlia. So, all the shortlisted candidates from the previous round will be divided into teams, and a common problem statement will be given to every team. And for the team, all of it team members should work on that given problem statement and should come up with the formal report and a presentation. So this is basically a group activity which needs a teamwork, presentation skills, and communication skills as well. So That's all about the structure of Impulse. Moving forward, please change the slide. Yeah. So another exciting part of Impulse is Impulse Awards. So there will be a award for a base team. Basically, a team which performs excellent in Investlia will be conferred with this award. And there are also awards for impulsive performer and for novice and expert category both. So, a participant who is multi-talented and shows all-around performance in all these rounds will be given this award. Now, moving forward, the registration fee for the Impulse is rupees 50 per candidate, and registration forms are are already open. It is the link is available on the website, or you can check any social media handle of a SOFTA. You will get the registration link there. So registration has already started. Uh, yeah, now and for about the Impulse, this is for first year and second year. This is a good opportunity to assess yourself at the early stage, and for the third and fourth year, this will be opportunity to prepare well for your placement drives. So that's all from Event Designer department. If anyone has any doubt, then you can ask here.
Can we get the recording of this session because our class was there? Pavasa's lecture was there.
Yes, yes. My daughter is also there.
Okay, so I think this meet is not recording.
No, Savani, it is recorded. We'll share the recordings on our social media
Okay.
handles. You can check it over there.
Yeah.
Can
Okay,
you
okay,
please
thank
send
you.
it on WhatsApp group?
I think it will be too long to send on WhatsApp group. We'll share the YouTube link over WhatsApp. You can forward.
Okay.
Thank you.
Of this session, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Thanks.
Okay. So if you know the query, then we'll move forward. So if you have any further query or any doubt, then you can contact anyone from the event designer department, or also you can approach to our fellow software seniors as well. Yeah. So just grab a chance to excel your skills, to participate in Impulse, and make the best of this opportunity. That's all from our side. Back to organizers.